how to start this, okay? I'm not a YouTuber. First and foremost. Also, I'm gonna look here because that's where the viewfinder is, but I know that you're down here, okay? I know. I put you there. I placed the camera there. Please don't comment on my hat and my receding hairline. I know that this is not a look, okay? I would bully myself too online, but I'm asking you, kindly, sir, not to bully me. Okay, I've got you covered. Help is here. You can calm down now, okay? I'm gonna show you how to install those. And I will share my screen. Just follow along. If things are going on too quickly, you can slow down the video by clicking the cogwheel down below and changing the speed. That will get you sorted. So first and foremost, click your profile picture and go to the creator dashboard. Now, to install a lot of these, you need to be affiliate. That means that you need 50 followers, a bunch of stream hours, and I don't know, sometimes they change the rules for becoming affiliate. So if you don't see all of these options, that might mean that you aren't affiliate yet. Once we've gone into creator dashboard, it's going to be actually a little trickier to install bit badges compared to channel points and emotes, because they're very straightforward. You can see them directly here. I didn't know how to install bit badges before, but I'm going to show you. Actually, you go to monetization and you click on bits and sharing. Over here, you can set like a minimal bits to share, and usually I set these really low because I just think it's fun to have a bunch of decorations in chat. I don't care so much for the bits themselves. Once you've set that, you can actually upload stuff here. And you do that by selecting edit. Here you have to upload 3 different sizes for that bit badge. And thankfully, I've already pre-cropped these for you. So for the strawberry, we're gonna pick the 18 by 18, which is the smallest one. And then we need the 36 by 36. Pull that to the middle. And then 72 by 72. And here that goes. And then you can either keep it as chair 1000, or maybe you could also give it your own name. So I'm gonna call it strawberry. Maybe that's boring. You're far more creative than I am. But go ahead, name it whatever you want. And then just click Save Changes, and it will upload to your Twitch. And that's how you install bit badges. Good luck streaming, and I hope your community will love these new identity badges. See ya! Can you see me, chat? No, just kidding. I hope this came in helpful. If you have any questions, or if this information is outdated for some reason, please let me know and I will help you to the best of my abilities. I think that's it. Have a good day and have fun streaming. See you.